Okay, guys, so today we're going to be learning about loops, and loops are really easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say for I in range 4, we're just going to say print I. Let's run this and see what happens. So if I run this now, you can see that hopefully, oh, there is a mistake. What is the mistake? Aha, here's the mistake. Okay, so we'll do that again. You can see that it's actually printed out 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, there's a few interesting things to understand. Is that when we say something like this, range 4, this is an exclusive value, meaning it excludes, it doesn't include something. And it doesn't include the number 4, right? Because it starts from 0. So 4 numbers starting from 0 is 0, 1, 2, 3. And that's why we have 0, 1, 2, 3 right here. So this I is now a variable that's being assigned to each of these numbers, and it's doing it step by step, right? So let's run that again. And what we'll do for range 10. And this is going to assign the value I to every number in range 10. So first it's going to find the first number, which is 0. Then it's going to print 0. Then it's going to go to the next number, which is 1. Then print 1. And let's just see that action. So you can see it right here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. We can do other things where we can say I plus 1. And now what this is going to do is this is going to start from I plus 1, meaning the first number is going to be 0 plus 1, which is now equal to 1. So this is going to go from 1 to 10. Let's run that. There we go. You can see it goes from 1 to 10. Perfect. Okay. Now, we can do other things where we can add words to this code. So we're going to add a word using this speech box here, just like we would in any other situation when we're writing. So we'll say step number, and it's going to be I plus 1. Okay. So let's see what happens when we run this. Okay. Oh, there is an error. Where is the error? Okay, I suspect. Okay. Python doesn't know how to read your program. Small. Okay. You forgot a comma. Have I forgot a comma? I don't think I have forgotten a comma. Okay. I wonder what the issue is. Line 2. Print step number. Okay, this should work. Okay. Actually, I know what the issue is. It was correct. Okay, so what we'll do this right here. And then this should work. You don't need to worry about this. This is just for me to show you how it's working. Hopefully this should work. Okay, there we go. So you can see now it says step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And we can do other things with this where we can say I times 2 for each step, which is going to be, well, 0 times 2 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so on and so forth. So you can see, yeah, this just times a number by 2 each time. So that's a really simple explanation of what for I in range 4 does, and sort of an explanation about your homework too. So I'm going to put in what I had in your homework, which is right here. For I in range 4, print build leg number I plus 1. Okay. If I press play or run, you can see there's build leg number 1, build leg number 2, 3, 4, so on. So now you should be able to do any one of these. So if we're building 5 windows, we'll do range 5, and we'll do build window number I plus 1. Right? We press run. You can see it says build window number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we take away this plus 1, it's going to start from 0, which doesn't really make sense. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because this makes sense for computers, but not our human brain, right? So make sure you put that plus 1 in that. If you want to do something like ladders, you can do 4 ladders, like so, and that's it. So the homework is as simple as assigning the number you want, making sure it is the correct number, because computers understand it as 1 below the actual number that humans think about, and then make sure you change the keyword in the middle. right? So with this, it should be pretty easy to complete part 4 of the homework. So I really hope that that was a sufficient explanation and you understood well and you know what to do now. And of course, if you have any questions, just message me. I'm here to help. So yeah, guys, have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next Minecraft lesson, the next coding lesson. Yeah, have a great day, guys. Goodbye.